Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, it's been making lower lows, lower highs, but recently, it's been making higher highs, higher lows internally. Been making higher highs, higher lows internally. But let's map out the swing structure again from the 4-hour chart. It's well into premium, but judging from the other dollar pairs, like you said last week, those other dollar pairs have broken out past their range with the lower high. So we're looking to see more bullish momentum, to see if there's any type of pullback, to see if there's any way to continue pushing GBP USD higher in order to take out this high. It did react to this supply area briefly, went above it, now it's pulling back now. So not looking for any sales to continue, although it is in premium, because like I said, with the correlation with the other US dollar pairs, looks like the reversal is in, and we should continue pushing forward or pushing up. Now Euro USD, and this did break its lower high. This was the lower low that now has broken this high. So we mapped out a new range for Euro USD. This is the 4-hour chart, starting here to here. And we see it's been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, waiting for a pullback in order to take any opportunity where the bullish momentum kicks back in. Waiting to see if it can pull back into a discount, or here, this is a significant area. Let's see. Any type of significant area. That area is in discount. Been making it hit this area a few times. And right now it's on the 4-hour chart, it's making ascending price action. So I'm looking to see if this can pull back in order to see if there's a buy to be taken. Let's see the channel that it's in. While it continues to make higher highs and higher lows, but not looking for any sales right now because the bullish momentum is up, and plus the swing structure is now bullish. This area is significant. There's also a gap right here, and this range provides the order block. If you can look at it, this is the range initiation. It should mitigate and then continue theoretically. So waiting to see if there is a deeper pullback in order to see if the momentum will shift back to upward and bullish momentum. AUD USD, similar chart. We said this did also break its lower high. Now it's the low that broke that high. So now we're going to map out the range. Most of these pairs, we're just waiting to see the pullback, because now we know that the swing structure is now bullish on the 4-hour and fractally on the daily. So now we're waiting to see pullback and then a momentum shift back into a bullish push upward. Like you can see currently, gonna wait to see if there's any significant areas. Wait to see when it goes into discount. This looks like it has already broken out of this channel. So waiting to see any opportunities if it comes back to this order block, or once that momentum shifts when it's in discount. NZD USD, similar. This was the high that was broken. This low broke this high. Let's map out the range. This is the swing structure. And as you can see, it's starting to pull back now. It got overextended just like the other pairs. Now it's starting to pull back now. I'm not looking for any sales to take this back down because, like I said, the swing structure and fractal structure, this is the 4-hour chart, is bullish. So I am looking to see when it can retrace back into discount to see if there's any opportunity when the bullish momentum is clear to take another buy. GBP AUD, and this was what we were looking at last week. saying that we had to zoom out for the daily range we were dealing with to show that on the daily perspective, this did pull back into discount. And then on the 4-hour, it was arranging. We're waiting to see what's going to happen in this range, whether it was going to continue pushing down to break lows or break out of this range. And we can see it did start to break out on Friday out of this range. So now it hasn't completely, from the 4-hour perspective, gone bullish. It did break out the range and it started making fractal breaks in the bullish direction on the 4-hour, but didn't break the strong lower high that was making from the push down. But this indicates that since it did break out the range, at least I'll be expecting a pullback and bullish momentum to shift back after the pullback, because this is bullish momentum now, but I'm waiting to see if there's a pullback to see if we can take another buy or take a buy in order to break past that high. Similar with GBP NZD, we went from the daily perspective that showed that it did go back into discount. It was ranging just like GBP AUD, has broken out. So I don't want to be looking for any buys once it pulls back. This also hasn't broken its lower high, strong lower high to make the 4-hour swing structure bullish, but it has started fractally breaking out, broke out of the range, and it broke its 4-hour fractally bullish. So just waiting for a pullback, just like with the other pairs, because it's overextended now, to see if there's bullish momentum to capitalize on and take a buy back up. Thank you for joining us.